Welcome to the never-ending world of allied health with the pioneer allied health trainers since 1976 of the country. The college has accomplished many milestones within these 46 years of its existence. It is on a journey since its inception. Together, the college is on a mission. It has a commitment towards training the youth and the environment. IPHNH School of Nursing is recognized by Delhi State Nursing Council and Indian Nursing Council and offers a 2-year auxiliary nursery and midwifery, also known as ANM for 10+2. The institute has 40-bedded rural community healthcare hospitals and the work for upgradation to 55-bedded hospital is under its full swing. With the legacy of 46 years of imparting technical training in paramedical and allied health sciences, the institute has trained thousands of students with various trades of healthcare sectors who are enjoying successful career around the globe. Talking about the Green Campus initiative, the campus has solar panel, composting pit, rainwater harvesting point too. The institute has also provided trained paramedical workforce in national and international events organized by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and is also recognized by various state government authorities. The institute also provides concession and scholarships to ex-servicemen having tenure of service in armed or paramilitary forces, girl child police officers, physically handicapped, medical professionals, government officials, and so on. IPHNH is dedicated to teaching students what they need to know, and for that, they have certificate programs and various diploma programs too. Along with that, the institute provides various courses for doctors too. There are various undergraduate and postgraduate programs like BSc and MSc too. Since 1984, the institute is a training center for Army, Navy, Air Force, Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Social Justice, and so on. There are various in-service training program providers, a glimpse of premier paramedical nursing and allied health trainers. IPHNH has also been certified by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Glimpse of a flagship national initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Department, Government of India. Since its inception, the institute has been actively working for the youth of Jammu and Kashmir since its rising disturbance in the state through Operation Sadbhavna. Here's a list of courses under which the candidates are nominated for training, and the institution feels proud in saying that 80% of the youth trained by the institution are serving in the Gulf countries and in other parts of the world, whereas the remaining 20% are well placed in various government organizations and in education establishments. The institution feels proud in serving the nation by training its in-service personnel from Ministry of Defence, Government of India, and approximately 60,000 service personnel are retired or released every year. And since 1984, the institute has been providing training in medical laboratory technology, dental chair side assistant, physiotherapy, public health and sanitation technology, etc. These are some of the glimpses of in-service personnel. A feather in the institution's cap was added when the institute started training in-service personnel from the CRPF too. Now the institute is also privileged to conduct courses of instructions in electrocardiography for the in-service personnel from the Indian Airlines and Air India. There are various vocational training programs for girls or women from economically weaker sections under NORAD scheme by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. The institute has also provided skill-based training to students in paramedical with the Directorate of Employment, Government of NCT, Delhi. IPHNH provides special contribution in supporting the healthcare system of northeastern states of India and have trained approximately 3,000 students to work at various levels in the most remotest parts of these states. Listed are some of the courses under which candidates are nominated for training. Some of the training logistics include department in laboratories, cafeteria, healthcare, recreation, bank loan facility for fees, and so on. And the training logistics include Department of Radiology, Department of Ultrasonography, Department of Computer Education, Department of Physiotherapy, Department of Dental Science, Department of Library and Information Sciences, Audiovisual Lab, the Nursing Foundation Lab, the Nutrition Lab, Department of Pharmacology. Here is a list of the Board of Faculty members. To fulfill the responsibility towards the society and to provide education, the Institute have been training students free of cost nominated by the organizations like SOS Children's Village, Manav Seva Sansthan, Asha Foundation, Magic Bus, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Vidya Kendra, Pardada Pardadi Educational Society, Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. And to encourage the students, Institute also provide trophies to the winners. So as to take care of the students, IPHNH provides confidential, professional and accessible counseling services for the students so that they can face the common issues like stress, anxiety, depression, grief, career or family concerns. Extracurricular activities are also available in the Institute, and there are various clubs and societies like Zahanat, Thirak, Ahang, Polaroid, Hasgulle, Zahanat and Sports Society too. Shashvatam, the NSS unit of IPHNH, it provides a sense of social and civic responsibility among the youth community and also help them to get knowledge about different people from different walks of life. Some of the events by NSS are Asthma Battle for Breath, Plantation Drive, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle, etc. There are various committees like Development Committee, NSS Advisory Committee, Sexual Harassment Committee, Disciplinary Committee, Library Committee, Research Committee, Placement and Career Council Committee, and so on. The Institute of Public Health and Hygiene has vast industrial linkage with most reputed names of healthcare. Some of them are Fortis Hospital, Pathcare Hospital, Narayana Hospital, Pathkind Hospital, BLK Hospital, Max Hospital, NDMC Hospitals, and so on. By studying at IPHNH, students become a part of world-class research institution with grand ambition. Not only they'll receive an outstanding learning and teaching experience with a distinct emphasis on employability, but they'll also fall in love with the city. And for that, the Institute provides a number of different support systems for the international students too. Here's a list of Institute's international students training. As the classes were going on online, the students were not at all disconnected. There were various webinars, workshop, activities conducted during COVID-19 pandemic so that the students were all engaged while they were self-isolated. The Institute has tried to support its workforce by providing 100% coverage for diagnostic testing and associated visit related to COVID-19, immediate paid medical leave for any employee diagnosed with COVID-19, free financial planning support, 100% coverage for virtual doctor visit. The Institute is proud in saying that the students of the IPHNH are actively working as frontline warriors with hospitals, pathological labs, and imaging centers 24/7. IPHNH also have an alumni association called Saviyam and is here to support students from all disciplines to increase their employability and help them find opportunities. Here is a list of some placement records. The Institute, with its legacy of 46 years, will make sure that they work for the students and enables them to rise to greater heights.